Hey boys and girls, you need to watch this video only if you need help with the active engagement and link. So when I was just doing my work, I did not have my unit of measurement labeled. So because the problem asked how many feet, each length is going to be in feet. So we already found the perimeter in feet and how long it is around the swimming pool. So that would be one lap around the swimming pool. 46 feet is one lap around the swimming pool. How could I find out how many feet it takes max to go around the swimming pool 3 times? If he did 3 laps, how could I use this knowledge to help me figure out how many feet max were to swim if he goes around 3 times? I could use repeated addition as a strategy. By repeating 46 plus 46 plus 46, or I could use the strategy of multiplying. I'll leave it up to you to see what 2 things you would need to multiply. So for the link today, if you need help, follow along now. I already have the sides labeled 8, 14, 12, 6, and 4. And notice we have a missing side length. So these should also be labeled feet. And the question says, Sally wants to build a sandbox in her backyard, and she needs to know how much wood to buy to build the perimeter of the sandbox. She is having trouble knowing how much wood she needs because she must build around a tree in her backyard. So here's the tree, and you see she's having to build her sandbox and go around the tree. Otherwise, we could just build a perfect square for our sandbox. So the question wants me to answer this. It says, help Sally solve by finding the perimeter of the sandbox. That's what it wants me to determine. What is the perimeter? It looks like she also forgot to label the side of this side right here. So I know from studying perimeter all week long that to find perimeter, I need to add up all the side lengths. But I don't have this side length here. So you're going to need to use your knowledge of geometry and realize that this side length of 14 is going to be equal to the sum of these two side lengths. Meaning if I add this side length and this side length together, they will be equal to this side. So imagine I slide this side over and I line it up with this one. I'm going to see that I didn't change the length. I just slid it over. And if I stack these two sides one on top of the other, this side should be equal to this side. So I'm going to set this up for you. 14 equals 6 plus my missing side length. Now, you need to go through and find the missing side length and the total perimeter that Sally needs to build her sandbox.